Hello paper artisans and fellow crafters, it's Chandra with Stockton Stuffed. I'm here to do a video response with the Stuff It collaboration with Poet Spice for August 2020. I've been working on a couple of projects that actually fit the criteria for Stuff It, so I thought I'd share today. The materials I used were a couple of different Nuvo drops. I used the glitter drops that is chocolate fondue. I used crystal drops that is dark walnut, and I used the vintage matte drops in yellow brick road. The color theme that I'm working with is brown and gold. I also use some different washi tapes. It is a graduation. It's for a graduation party. So this congratulations tape, this chevron gold, and it's actually kind of golden clear, and a happy birthday because the day of the graduation party is also the young man's birthday. I used craft cardstock. It was a 12 by 12 pad that I got from Amazon, and I didn't use it all because I was using the project was I needed 6 by 6 squares, so I was able to stretch that. I also used the Cricut foil acetate, the tailored sample. I used I think I used 4 gold pieces and 1 with black accents. I like this, and it really was easy to work with. So the first project is this little treat box, and I like the way the ribbon that I had matched the chevron pattern. Although I did, because I made 85 of these, I had to use some different ribbon. I didn't buy enough the first time. So you see the 3 different dots that I had on there, and washi around the bottom. It was really simple to make, and I'll link the video tutorial in the bottom. In the description box below the video. I do want to show you though that this little box does hold quite a bit, because I was able to get 5 pieces of candy in here, so it holds I used the little Hershey's and then some caramels that I got from Oriental Trading, so they all were able to hold 5 pieces of candy. I probably could have gotten more in there, so even though it's tiny, it holds quite a bit, and it is a favor for the party, so that guests will have a party favor, and I thought they came out really cute. The second thing, Stuff It item that I made is a big item, and it is actually the thank you card box, the card box for the guests that bring cards to the graduate. Now, I made this from scratch. I had to work out my measurements. I knew what size I wanted this box to be, and I just kind of worked it out and then made it. So I'm going to see how I can get this all on video. But anyway, I just cut thank you and put it at the top. I cut the slit for the cards, and there's that washi tape around the top. I added his picture, 8 by 10, and then there is the happy birthday around the bottom. Now, and I'll show you the inside. I just basically tried to score and cut. I wanted this box to be 10 by 10, and so I just scored and cut. Now, honestly, actually, I made a prototype first from some 6 by 6 paper, because I figured I'd try it at 6 by 6 so I could do it with some 12 by 12, and so actually the top and the bottom is open, and then I made this yellow piece at the bottom to, let's see, how can I show you that, to be the base of it, so that I wouldn't have to use another piece of acetate. And then I made the lid, and I did glue the bottom. I used actually tape. Double-sided tape at the bottom so that it stays still. But I just love the way it came out. It's not perfect. I have a few crinkles on my base, but I might work on that before I take it to the party. So again, it is the acetate, Cricut acetate and washi tape, and 12 by 12 cardstock. And so let me see if I can just, and this is what the entire box looks like. So each side is printed with a gold design. So there's only 2 designs in the package. So I did opposite sides. So there's diamonds on the front and the back, and then squares on the sides. Thanks for watching.